You guys commented and was like, yeah, Jayla, you're probably not even finished packing yet. I'm not. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan if you're new. Today I am continuing packing up things, decluttering, letting things go. Alright guys, this room is getting pretty empty. I had to make a choice if I wanted to do my bathroom drawers or this right here, and I chose to do the bathroom. But I'm super excited because the closet is empty. Like you guys see, it's barely any clothes in here. Well, actually, it's no clothes. I'm giving away these. Let's go to the bathroom. I look a mess right now. Do not judge me, okay? Do not judge me. But in my bathroom, I got these smaller boxes, and I'm about to go through these drawers. I feel like it's a lot. I have like a lot of unnecessary, like look, wigs and everything else in here. What's in here? Just some other stuff. And then all my shampoos and conditioners and products. So I was going to go through everything, see what I love, my love products, and then maybe some products. Like some of this is like almost empty. That's not my favorite shampoo. Like this is empty. So this I lost a cap to. So yeah, I'm about to go through all of this. Get my boxes ready on the sides of me. And then, oh, in here, this bathroom, I do have stuff in it that I didn't even know. I'm like, what the heck? So, like, I don't really know what this is, but I want to, like, minimize all of this to things that I really need. Let's get started. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Today I'm rocking my YouTube hat, custom with Jayla Koriyan on the back that you guys cannot see. This shirt that, don't you hate shirts that's so thin that you can see your bra underneath? Like, I'm pretty sure if I wear a black bra, this is nude, but if I wear a black one, like, you're still gonna see the dang on line of the bra. So annoying. But maybe not. Maybe I should have put on a black one. But I hate like thin materials, but it's super cute. Like this little top. But I mean, it's from Fashion Nova, so what did I expect? You know, what did I expect? Paired with some jeans, baby. Jeans, baby. Hey, hey. I've been getting more and more boxes and stuff and putting more and more stuff out here. My closet room is kind of all box stuff. I'm doing laundry and stuff, but the closet room is basically empty. Everything in here is basically in boxes except a few things. Like I was organizing makeup and stuff because I have a lot of makeup, so I was going to use this box. I think I need to get a bigger box to put all the makeup and stuff in, because I do have a few drawers that have a lot of makeup that I didn't even know. So like, oh wait, this one, wait, this one. I'm like, what the heck? When did I get so many lip products? So yeah, I need to figure out how to put that in. I have a lot of dirty makeup brushes. I need to wash those. But when I was going through my makeup, I was trying to like go through things that I haven't really been using like that. So that's that. That's just what I was doing in here. Lately, I've been really feeling this chicken soup from Dallas Barbecue. I think that I am a true soup person in the morning time. Like, I don't like heavy things. Like, I don't really like that. So I've been getting soup lately, and it's been love. I didn't even know Dallas Barbecue would have good soup, but someone recommended it to me, and I was like, their chicken broth soup is pretty good. So that's what I've been eating, and I just get the quart size, which is like $7. I got 2. It comes like this, and it's like chicken, carrots, a little bit of potatoes, and then the broth is like chicken broth. So it's pretty good to me. This whole packing thing, I really procrastinate. One of you guys called me out on it. You guys commented and was like, yeah, Jayla, you're probably not even finished packing yet. I'm not. I really hate this. I really hate it, hate it, hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Hate it, 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 hate it. Let's see. So, I also need to stop and get some more trash bags because I ran out of trash bags. Me and my beat, like, I just cannot catch a beat. I'm doing laundry, 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 laundry. I'm doing laundry. See? Even that was trash. Alright guys, everything is freaking empty. I can't believe it. Empty. Everything is empty. Oh my god, it was so much work. And some of you guys thought this wasn't coming with me. It's detachable. This is just an IKEA closet. It wasn't like hooked up to the wall or nothing. These are mine. It's gonna be in the new place. So I know some of you guys were worried about this like closet system. It's coming with sis. So we're in my house, and today is a special day. I don't know if it's special, but maybe kind of sad, bittersweet day, because my first sofa is finally going bye-bye. Someone's coming to give it a new home, like a family. It's a guy and his wife is pregnant, and they want my sofa, and I'm super excited, but I'm like so sad to see it go. Like, so cute. Day's over there. Say hi, Day. Hi, how are you guys? It's freezing outside, so as you guys can see, turtleneck on deck, but my makeup got on the inside, so it's kind of weird. But literally just waiting for them to arrive. I was trying to figure out something else that I could do cleaning wise, and hello, this room, I don't feel like doing this though. It just we'll come back to this another day. I don't want to do this today. But I mean, so far almost everything is in like boxes, and everything's cleared out of cabinets, and yeah. Oh, I have these bags that need to go to like Goodwill or somewhere. But other than that, I still have, you know, last few little things to do that's like I'm dragging my feet. I can't believe my first love is about to leave me. They may take the rug too. And I put my TV stand that was, well, it was my original living room stand, but I moved it to my bedroom. I put it back out here. So maybe they want to take that too. Have it all.
Are you sad to see this go? I'm ready to sell it.
Well, we just letting it down. I am kind of sad though. I like tried to get this like spot out, and now it's, I guess it has to dry completely. All right, guys, the sofa is gone. It's with another family, a family that's expecting a baby. It's safe somewhere else. So yeah, about to leave out of here for some turn up. It's time to turn up. It's time to turn up. Let's get it, let's get it. You ready to turn up, Day? I feel like I've been a bore today, so she's over me. I've been born. I've been a bore today. Huh?
I said girl.
Boy. Dang, seriously now. How is it my fault now? No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Hey.
You need to keep your eyes on the sidewalk while I'm driving. Damn. Now we gonna get a ticket.
They said to put my hand on something to act like I'm doing something.
Yeah,
so
damn.
That's what I'm doing, and then she knocked everything over.
You did it.
How?
As soon as you touched it.
Watch.
What the fuck you keep doing?
But it's cracks in the sidewalk, Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea, it's cracks in the sidewalk. So you need to you need to look at the cracks. Oh shit, my damn Chipotle. Yeah! Dang! I'm about to go to a restaurant. Eat. Girl, don't do that. I'll buy you a drink. 2. My little baby, my little baby, my little baby, my little baby, change your bracelet. I was so thirsty from working so hard. You have no idea. Because you are doing. Seriously? Is that a 3-wheeler on the sidewalk? It's a 3-wheeler.
I don't think he should be
on the sidewalk.
Yeah,
you ain't got enough to curse this bitch.
I want my money on time, nigga. Fuck that shit.
Where the bag at, nigga? Where the bag at? I want y'all to know I'm going to City Girl concert next month.
Lunch then. He want a bitch from the city. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 niggas.
Stripes on her ass, so I call that pussy Tigger.
Fucking on her rimmies.
Rich ass nigga.
Backwards. Well, I guess you're talking with scammers.
Alright guys, good morning. I am up. Last night me and Day went to Woodlands. We attempted to go on Sunday for brunch, and when I tell you it was wrapped around the building, but it was jumping inside. I wanted to like show her a good time in New York. Just because I don't know, I just feel like when my friends come and see me, I want to like pack out our schedule and like do fun things. So we did go to Woodlands because I wanted her to experience that, because it's, you know, the music's good, it was good vibe. So we went there. She left that night. I'm so happy she came, spent time with me, and she also helped me like pack boxes and stuff. So super appreciative of her. And yeah, today was just like a chill day because she was here and we were like going, moving, hanging out and partying and stuff. So I just want today to be a day that I cleaned, did laundry, you know, that type of stuff. Tomorrow I have like a meeting. I want to get my nails done. My lash lady came today and did my lashes. Okay, she fixed me up. I want to get my nails redone. I have a meeting, and then I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, preparing for the weekend. Cause tomorrow is Friday. I know everybody. give me a thumbs up if you're excited about Friday too. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this packing video. I'm basically done. The move is coming soon. Yeah, I'm over this packing stuff, but it's been really good because I literally told myself, like, clothes that I'm not wearing, like, so much has been taken to like Goodwill and donation centers. So my closet right now is a lot smaller, but that just means that I can look through everything, see what are my favorite pieces, and then buy from the pieces that I already have, like buy new things. Like I need new black jeans, like things like that. I can just shift through and look through everything. So I'm super excited about that, and I'll probably be vlogging more of like my closet and essentials. I hope you guys are okay with that on this channel, especially since I think it's going to be like vlog style. So I hope you guys are okay with like me like doing fashion stuff kind of over here. I do have a main channel that I will be posting more fashion content and hair tutorials and makeup and stuff over there, but this channel will still be like vlog style, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. It's just a combination of it all. So I hope you guys are okay with that, and I will see you guys in my next video. I wonder if you guys noticed that I've been posting every single day for you guys. I'm like back on it. I didn't post at the beginning of this month, so I'm just like, yeah, let me like give you guys some content to watch. So I hope you guys like that, and yeah, I see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Bye guys.